I'm on my way to do the hiking in Wadi Al Hora. It is in Mada, Oman. It is approximately 126 kilometers from Dubai to Wadi Al Hora. It takes approximately 1 hour 27 minutes to reach there. We park our car near to this starting of the valley and we started our hike. The location to reach here is in the description of this video. This place is hidden gem and least explored by the hikers. You can see natural springs, frog pond and abandoned car and much more over here. Now we have to walk approximately 5 kilometers by foot through this road to reach the wadi over there. If you are walking, please bring 2 liters of water per person to reach the wadi location. In this hike, the first 5 kilometers there is nothing. It is very dry and there is no much shade also. So please bring your hat and enough sunscreen protection if you are walking, especially in the summertime. You have to walk 5 kilometers through this road, which is not an easy task. But still, the hike is considered to be easy plus. There is no signboards or marking to reach towards the wadi. So we have to follow through this valley, walk straight through the valley to reach the place. We can see loads of white stones in this valley. Follow the white stones to reach the wadi area. The first landmark is that abandoned jeep over there. So once you see the jeep, you can make sure that you are almost near to the wadi area. We just stopped and rest for a while near to this jeep area. It's an old abandoned jeep. Seems to be in an early working stage and later it has been abandoned over here. Carefully see the jeep properly, then only you sit on the seat of the jeep since it is in the open area. After the jeep, I totally lost our way and I look around to see our way towards the wadi and I couldn't find it anywhere and we were so tired going into different ways. There is no range on my mobile and my GPS is also not working over here and we were struggling to find the place. Before we lost our hope, we found two birds flying in a particular direction. We follow the birds assuming that these birds will show us towards the wadi area. It was a great relief when I hear the water sound. I run towards the water sound assuming that I will see the water and I know there is water over there. I was so tired and I run towards it. And just after the bend, I suddenly see the water over there. The water is coming and it is suddenly disappearing in particular point just before the bend.
It's disappearing from here somewhere.
It's a wadi toad over there just before the water spring. Seeing the water in the wadi was a great relief for us in the desert heat. We dip ourselves in the water and wash ourselves in this wadi area. I saw lots of wadi fishes and the water sliders inside the wadi pond. Water beetles are running around after seeing us over there. Dipping inside the water over here in the wadi was a great relief for us. It will release our pain and the sufferings which we have endured during our when we lost our way. And the water, cool water, relaxes our mind and it helps us a lot over here in the wadi. Walking through the dry stones with a bare foot is very difficult task because the stones are very hot. And walking through the wadi waters is even more difficult since the water is very slippery due to the algae growing on it. I can see loads of green algae on the stone where the water is flowing. And also I can see loads of dragonflies flying around inside the wadi. These wadi waters are not continuous stream of water. The water is coming in but one particular area and disappearing and reappearing in another particular area. One side of the wadi where water is there, it's full of green leafy plants, whereas the other area is a rocky area. Each of the watery pond is full of life with lot of wadi fishes, algae, etc. inside. I feel like I am standing inside different pool of natural aquarium with lots of different animals like fishes, frogs and other kind of insects inside. You can see lots of rocky mountain above the valley with some trees over there, but below the valley is full of crystal clear water with lots of fishes and green plants. We say goodbye to this wonderful location and mesmerizing place in UAE and go back to our original location. I just take a look once again to this magical waters of this desert disappearing and appearing in one side. It is a unique and mesmerizing experience for us. It is a magical experience since we lose our way inside this desert and then we find our way to this wadi and now we are going back to our original location. If you are planning to visit this location, I am ready to help you to guide you to the exact place of this wadi. In order to reach the Wadi Al Hora by walk, keep the jeep which we have seen before on your left hand side and walk straight forward and take the second left and walk straight. You will reach the Wadi Al Hora. It was a nice and a unique experience we had over here in the Wadi Al Hora. We may come back to this unique location once again. See you soon.